What's up everyone? So ayun na nga po, that concludes our 2-day concert here in Hong Kong. Medyo mahaba-haba pa yung stay namin dito kasi we'll be doing lots of things, promotions and whatnot. Pero I just want to say that my heart is really full right now. Damang-dama namin yung support ng 18 Hong Kong sa lahat ng fan projects na ginawa nyo, sa surprise greeting nyo sa akin, yung mga logo ni Pablo. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa SB19. Talagang sinell out yung show. Wala akong masabi kasi this is my first time, and the first time that I'm going to be hearing something na sobrang memorable, very special, and wala, my heart is just full. Hopefully pag bumalik kami dito, mas marami pa tayo, mas malaking venue na mapagpa-performa namin. Maybe we get to do things like other promotions wherein we could like interact even better. Ayun lang, gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa buong team, sa 1Z, sa team namin sa Mula at Wakas. Ka-birthday ko rin yung isa naming lighting director, si Maki Mangasi. Happy birthday sa'yo, brother. Ang dami ko rin ka-birthday na 18. Wala, sobrang saya nitong araw na ito. I feel really appreciated and loved. I don't know, it's very rare for me to feel this way because right now ibang-iba yung feeling ko. Parang I get to perform on stage with the people I love, the people I cherish. First time ba? I think this is not the first time, pero parang sobrang memorable nito kasi kahit birthday ko ng trabaho ko. And itong tour, sa totoo lang, is tatanungin niyo kung nakakapagod siya. Sabi nga ni Michael Jackson, hindi niya na-enjoy yung tour. Meron sigurong parts na hindi mo na-enjoy, lalo na kapag sobrang nakakapagod at sunod-sunod. Pero the moment you step on stage and you get to see the people enjoy and sing along with the songs that you're written, sobrang iba yung feeling niya. Iba yung nadadama namin. Sobrang nai-inspire kami kasi nakikita namin na nag-enjoy kayo na. Yun lang, gusto ko makabalik kami dito sa mga ulit. Gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal ko kayo. Thank you so much for appreciating SB19 and for loving SB19. Until we meet again, see you guys soon. Bye-bye, Hong Kong!